Hey guys, it's Match. This is my Rubik's Cubes. It's solved right now. I'm gonna go mix it up and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just gonna be over here. I'm gonna be mixing up my Rubik's Cube. See, as you can hear it turning. Like I'm just mixing up my Rubik's Cube. Guys. Okay, so I have my Rubik's Cube. I mixed it up. And then I'm going to try and solve the side. This might take me a little while. Okay, so here we go. Wow, I already solved this side. I solved green. See if I can try and solve my whole Rubik's Cube, which is probably not gonna work, but at least I solved green. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Wait, this is sort of hard. What's gonna mix up? Okay, so that's gonna. Okay, so I'm gonna mix up green. Guys, look. Okay, this is my Rubik's Cube. I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna mix up green, and I'm gonna solve it again. So, guys, I'm gonna solve green. Guys, I saw solve green. Boom. Okay, I just did a tactic. It's like the up, left, down, right tactic, and well. So guys, see you in the next video. I promise I'm gonna try and solve my Rubik's Cube. So it's Match and peace out.